In a thriving ancient city by the sea, people of all backgrounds lived side by side. Here, mosques, churches, temples, and synagogues dotted the streets like precious gems. Among the residents was a young man named Amir, raised in a loving Muslim family. Although the city pulsed with diverse faiths, misunderstandings and suspicions sometimes arose. Amir, though proud of his Islamic heritage, always wondered how people from different faith traditions could share one common home without conflict. Every day, as he walked to the market, he heard various chants and songs, each expressing their own truth. He would think, our traditions differ, yet our hopes align. One gentle morning, as the sun painted the sky in golden hues, Amir vowed to discover how sincere mutual respect could unite these differing souls. The words of the Quran echoed in his heart, "To you be your religion, and to me my religion." It was a call to honor differences rather than quarrel over them. Curiosity led Amir to visit the ancient library in the city center, a place where wisdom from every tradition was preserved. Among dusty scrolls and leather-bound books, he met Layla, a scholar of comparative religion known for her open heart. Layla explained that long ago, prophets preached the importance of tolerance and understanding. Our histories, she said, are intertwined like threads in a beautiful tapestry. Amir listened intently as she recited verses from the Quran on acceptance. Islam teaches respect, and we learn from others to complete our own faith, she explained. Intrigued, Amir vowed that he would embark on a journey to understand other religions. With a notebook in hand, he planned interviews, visits to different houses of worship, and discussions with people of varied beliefs, hoping to witness firsthand the beauty behind each faith. That very dawn, before the city awoke, Amir attended a secret meeting organized by community leaders. In a humble courtyard shaded by ancient olive trees, a rabbi, a priest, and a guru joined a wise Sufi elder in conversation. Each spoke passionately about the values of compassion, truth, and justice taught in their scriptures. As the conversation deepened, the Sufi recited a verse, "To you be your religion, and to me my religion." The words resonated with every face in the circle. Amir felt an overwhelming sense of unity, despite the differences. At that moment, he realized that peace begins when hearts come together in honest dialogue. The meeting ended with a promise to continue working side by side for the well-being of the city. Later that day, Amir visited the bustling market where merchants from all faiths traded their wares, spices, silks, and handmade crafts, each infused with centuries of tradition. Here, he met Farid, a Jewish merchant who recounted the story of his great-grandfather who once risked his life to help a stranded Muslim traveler. Farid explained that despite their differences, they recognized humanity above all. "We are all travelers in search of truth," he said, handing Amir a beautifully bound book. The pages held parables of compassion, emphasizing that fairness in commerce was not solely about profit but about honor. Amir realized that everyday transactions were reflections of deeper ethical commitments. In those shared moments, diversity was celebrated, and the teachings of tolerance were brought to life in small yet significant interactions. Not all encounters were harmonious.